This problem is a typical dynamic programming problem. We are given a staircase with n plus 1 steps, number from 0 to n, and also an integer array cost. At each step, you can only jump at most 3 steps higher. The cost of the jump from step I to step j is the cost of j plus the difference between j to I squared. At step 0, the cost is 0, and we want to return the minimum total cost to each step n. First, we gotta initialize our dynamic programming array, which I'm calling dp over here. The size has to be n plus 1, not n here, because we have n plus 1 steps in total. So dp of I is defined to be the minimum cost to reach step I from step 0, which at step 0, the cost is going to be 0 because the cost to reach step 0 from step 0 is 0. So for step 0, initialize the dp to be 0. Now initialize the remainder of the dp with the maximum integer value because we want to find the minimal cost. Then all we have to do is simply iterate through every single step and try to check the cost if we take 1 step versus 2 steps versus 3 steps. And then we will update our dp with the minimum cost of each of these 3 operations. Note that because we want the minimum cost, so if we somehow already went to step I plus 1 before with an even smaller cost, then we should not update it. So that's why we always take the minimum of the existing dp. Then simply return dp of n at the end, and that is our solution. Peace!